Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing a WooDropship tutorial showing you how to start a simple dropshipping store in just 5 minutes in 2024. We'll dive into the integrations, pricing, pros and cons, and everything you need to know about starting an AliExpress dropshipping business using WooDropship on WordPress. So, what exactly is WooDropship? They offer two different types of plans when it comes to building out a dropshipping store or business. You can either choose between getting their dropshipping plugin or getting a turnkey, built-for-you dropshipping business where they handle the web development, build out the website for you, install the plugin, and do all those things. It really depends on whether you want to build out the store yourself using just the dropshipping plugin or if you want them to build out the entire site and business for you. Now, this comes with two different pricing setups. Before we dive into the specifics, I do want to mention that WooDropship is only for AliExpress. If you're looking to do AliExpress dropshipping, great, you're in the right place. WooDropship could be a good option for you. WooDropship is also cheaper than some other AliExpress dropshipping options on other e-commerce platforms. We'll dive into the specifics and comparisons a bit later, but I want to make it clear that WooDropship is limited to AliExpress. If you want to import products from AliExpress, this is a great option. With that said, let's dive into the specifics of WooDropship. You can start your dropshipping business and manage it all with WooDropship for WordPress. You can search for over 120 million different products within AliExpress, giving you a wide variety of product selections. You can sell globally, and you don't need any additional resources besides a laptop. Potential profit margins depend on the types of products you sell, which WooDropship markets on their site. To start, pricing is accurate as of the making of this video, but be sure to check WooDropship's website for the most up-to-date pricing. For pre-built dropshipping stores, the pricing starts at $17. You can choose from 20 different pre-built stores, and they all start at just $17. You can view a store by clicking on View Store. This will open a new tab, and here you can interact and look at your store page. If you like it, then you can simply click on Buy this store. You also get 100% ownership of the store they build for you. The stores are built by Shopify experts, and you also get lifetime expert support, and your store is ready in just 7 days. You can also get the dropshipping plugin. Building a store on WordPress isn't too difficult. The plugin currently costs $89. And it is also a one-time fee. This includes everything you need. It's not like the free versions on other platforms, which often come with limitations and higher monthly costs. With WooDropship, you pay a one-time fee for the complete version. If you go with the plugin, you will need a hosting plan. Once you have hosting, you can install the dropshipping plugin. WooDropship also offers free consultation calls to help you choose, and they have a Chrome extension to help import products. The plugin allows you to add, edit, publish, and sell AliExpress products directly from your store. With the Chrome extension, you can easily import product images, titles, descriptions, pricing, and variants into your online store. This saves a lot of time, especially as your store scales. The auto-fulfillment feature of the Chrome extension is particularly useful, preventing the need to manually copy and paste details for each order. Compared to other platforms like Shopify, WooDropship is a cheaper alternative. Shopify is great for most people, but if you're tech-savvy and willing to learn, a WordPress store can be a good option. WordPress plugins are generally more affordable, and WooDropship's $89 one-time fee is a cost-effective choice. To connect to WooDropship, you need a store. You can sell regular products alongside AliExpress products, set your profit margins, and use it with various themes and plugins for WordPress. If you already have a WordPress website or a store, WooDropship will integrate well. For those interested in the pre-built dropshipping stores, WooDropship offers planning, business setup, and handover services with 100% ownership. The setup includes niche research, domain, logo, email setup, and product import. WooDropship is a solid platform for starting an AliExpress dropshipping store. With options for both a plugin and a pre-built dropshipping stores, it caters to different needs. WooDropship offers a cost-effective alternative to platforms like Shopify, especially if you're willing to build and manage your store yourself. Now, let's talk about WooDropship's support and how you can contact them if you need help. One of the biggest concerns when starting a new venture, especially in e-commerce, is having reliable support. With WooDropship, you're in good hands. First off, WooDropship offers an extensive FAQ section on its website. This is a great resource for finding answers to common questions and troubleshooting issues on your own. The FAQ section is designed to help you quickly find solutions to common problems. Whether you're wondering how to import products from AliExpress, how to handle order fulfillment, or how to manage your store settings, the FAQs cover a wide range of topics. This self-service option is perfect for those who like to find answers independently and can save you a lot of time. If you prefer more direct assistance, WooDropship also offers email support. You can reach out to their support team by sending an email to the address provided on their website. They typically respond within 24 hours, but in my experience, they often get back to you much sooner. Their support team is knowledgeable and friendly, ready to help you with any issues or questions you might have about setting up or running your dropshipping store. For more urgent issues, WooDropship offers live chat support. This is available during their business hours and can be accessed directly from their website. Live chat is a great way to get quick answers to your questions in real time. The support agents are very responsive and can guide you through any technical difficulties or setup problems you might encounter. Another useful feature is the free consultation calls they offer. If you're unsure about which plan to choose or how to set up your store, you can schedule a consultation call with one of their experts. During the call, they'll help you understand the best options for your needs and answer any specific questions you might have about the WooDropship platform. WooDropship is also active on social media, where they provide updates, tips, and additional support. You can follow them on platforms like Facebook and Twitter to stay up to date with the latest news and features. Sometimes they even respond to support inquiries through social media, providing another avenue for getting help. WooDropship provides robust support options to help you succeed. Whether you prefer self-help resources like their Help Center and tutorial videos, or direct assistance through email, live chat and consultation calls, they have you covered. Their responsive and knowledgeable support team is there to ensure you have a smooth experience setting up and running your dropshipping store. You can click the link in the description to try WooDropship for yourself. If you found this WooDropship tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with new content. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.